Well, that was a nice surprise seeing Rebecca today.
Hello. So you never know when I'm going to turn
Who'd,
up. That's the problem.
who'd have thought she had hidden talents as a marbling artist?
I've got no idea what I'm doing. As always, everybody
We'll be
knows
the
me.
judge of that.
Yeah, when you see no, do nothing. Don't look. No, it's highly addictive. It's very therapeutic, I think.
So this is Rebecca's first 4-leaf clover. So that's it, down and then up. So always go opposite.
That's it, right.
That's it. So now up from that side, that's it.
Yeah.
And then left and right.
Ooh. You need a really steady hand for this, don't you?
There you go. You've done it.
Fabulous.
If you want to be really clever, if
Go on
you
then.
just touch the end of this brush with
Yeah.
your tool, just
Yeah.
very lightly, so it's just got
Yeah.
a nice tiny bit, and you can put that right in the middle. Ta-da! There you go. So you've got lots of space there, so you can fill it
that's
up.
good. There you go.
Let's see how Rebecca's getting on. So sometimes it's worth me video, because sometimes people come up with things
Yeah,
and then I
so-
go, oh yeah, I could have that.
Ooh, you could give that a blast.
The video is.
No
I am
pressure.
videoing
No
it
pressure.
now.
No
No pressure, Dan.
No pressure down.
You've done it. You're a marbling artist now.
You to do shapey. He's done a proper 4-leaf clover.
Excellent, yeah. Let's go for a daisy.
Yeah. Looks so cool. Oh, and on the doing
Oi,
the
oi.
edging. Oi, oi. Do you want to wipe it on that? Let's go for an edge. Probably don't know any better at this than I am.
Nice. Okay, shall I capture that on paper for you then, so you
Yeah,
can?
that'd be epic. Thank you.
It'll take about 10 minutes for it to be able to.
Alright.
From watching children do it, they put it at an angle like this, and so that you've got it. I'll show you on here actually. So that you're at an angle, and then drop it, and it naturally lays down. Something like that.
We're hoping it's going to turn out all right.
So now, with the thin tool, you're going to hook up one corner, and then once you've got hold of one corner, work your hand along so you've got hold of both corners.
Here.
No, here. That's it, and you're going to draw it to the edge. We need to touch here. So you've got to put it back down. No, you've got to put it back down. You've got to scrape it over the edge. So back to here, back to here. It's got to touch the edge.
That was it.
Yeah,
Over the top.
yeah, and then towards your chin, so about 45-degree angle. So towards your face, that's it. And the reason
So
we
what
do
is that?
that, because we need to get rid of the liquid, otherwise it will never dry. And if we've done it properly, it shouldn't bleed. There you go. Rebecca and Dan's masterpiece.
Fabulous. Thank you very
First
much.
ever
That's
Ebru.
So kind. Brilliant.
So I'll put it over here to dry.
Yeah,
I'll put the
so
fan
put it on
on it,
the-
so it'll be
So we
completely
put it on the
by
dryer
time,
then
yeah.
for about 10-15 minutes?
Well, 10 minutes is enough to be able to take it outside. For it to dry completely, like if you put it in the parcel shelf of the car, it'll dry
Cool.
instantly.
Fabulous.
I've got a fan here to speed up the process. Well done.
Thank you very much, sir. I'll just
You're very
take that.
welcome.
Thank you.